Unu na video akita unu ga-afụ ozi from Vanguard newspaper concerning the man before mgbala unu na ndị waste management galabie wee brutalize ya allegedly. Do you understand me? According to ife Charles Ogbudele that time ngụpụtara unu ebe a. Now na ife pụta na Vanguard concerning ife gọvanọ anyị wuchara nwa Mgbafọ na-ekwu na the thing, mana mma agụtụrụ gị nwa obele, then ịchọ izu ịgụ the whole article, you go to Vanguard news. Now the headline ebe a say that Soludo condones family of late Onitsha Chamber President brutalized by revenue agents. Governor Chukwuma Soludo of Anambra State has expressed deep condolence to the family of the late President of the Onitsha Chamber of Commerce, Mr Okechukwu Akaneme, who died following complications from an alleged brutal assault by agents linked to the Anambra State Waste Management Authority, ASWAMA. The governor's message conveyed through the Commissioner for Information, Dr. Law Mefo, acknowledged Akaneme's contribution to the social, economic and development of the state, describing his death as tragic and untimely. Let's continue. We acknowledge Mr. Akaneme's immense contribution to the development of our society as former president of Onitsha Chamber of Commerce, former chairman of the Nigerian Union of Journalists, NUJ, Onitsha Federated Chapel, and a prominent leader in the Onitsha business community. The governor stated, Akaneme's ordeal began on October 11, 2024, when individuals claiming to be ASWAMA agents reportedly stormed his residence in Onitsha, accusing him of failing to pay a sanitation levy. His refusal to follow them reportedly led to a violent attack that left him paralyzed from the shoulders down. He was rushed to Nnamdi Azikiwe University Teaching Hospital, NAUTH, Nnewi, where medical evaluation revealed a 65% spinal cord damage. He was later transferred to Memphis Hospital Enugu for advanced. As the police continue investigation, the matter, the Anambra State government will keep expressing its compassion for the family, the statement added. Reacting to the controversy, the managing director of ASWAMA, Chief Mike Ozemene, distanced the agency from the incident. He stated that the contractor involved, a paid direct operator, had been suspended following the incident. Ozemene condemned the use of force, stating that ASWAMA did not authorize the contractor to recruit miscreants or use violence in enforcing sanitation reviews. He described the incident as deeply unfortunate and confirmed the police investigation are ongoing. Now, unu na-distance onwe unu na ndị unu ziri ọrụ, nsogbu adịrọ. Mana ụmụnne m asị nke ahụ update unu. Do you understand me? Anụkwa m na governor compensate the family according to the news we did out there. Do you understand me? Na akwụkwọ m ụgwọ ụlọ ọgwụ ya or something like that. But all these things here ifụrụ a na-eme na be kedu oge ọ ga-akwụsị? Ihe a bụ my question on daily basis. Kedu ife ndị na-achị mụ na gị na-abụ na-eme ka all this kind of thing stop? Insecurity. People who take advantage of government wee na oppress a lot of people in our society. Kedu oge ọ ga-stop? Ka nke mme ya bịa kwuo ya ada ya. Like nke ya pụtakwa ebe a na-ajụ unu. Ụmụnne anyị ndị Igbo na Ọbọji na Ebonyi ndị ụmụnna anyị ndị Ebonyi steeti bụ n'ụbọchị. How far? Kedu ka the investigation si aga? Kedu ife bụ the problem? Kedu the measure government na-put ka such thing happen again? Ihe a bụ my question. Ọ bụrụ ịpụta dee edemede I condemn, I condone, I send the condolence video gịnị? Kedu ife a na-eme ka that thing happen to onye ọzọ? Na ndị asịwa ma the managing director na distance the agency na no the contractor. Kedu onye nyekwere the contractor ọrụ? Ọ bụrụ nkata ka unu kpara ewe nye the contractor ọrụ. Do you understand me? Unu na-distance zi onwe instead of you take the blame mụta onye afọ unu zinyere ọrụ a punish ye. Kenekwe m na ụmụnne m. But my question remains this. Kedu oge all these things, impunity and injustice and the abuse of power can stop in our society, and all this criminality and all this a lot of people now pay untimely. Kedu oge ọ ga stop in our society? If I have my question. Okay, Messian.